Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about this Samsung Bespoke all-in-one washer and dryer combo. So if you're new here, and don't forget to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content just like this video. Let's get into the review. So if you haven't checked out these washer and dryer combo kits, they are the latest and the greatest in the washing machine industry, okay? These things are awesome, okay, in my opinion. But anyway, watch this review all the way to the end, see what you think. First things first, it is monstrous, okay? It weighs in at 317.5 pounds, not including the shipping weight. Okay, it's big. It's so big, I can't even open my laundry room door to go into my house. So what I'm gonna have to do is move this over and swap these two out, okay? That is a very big downside in my opinion, is that it is very, deep. I don't remember the exact dimensions. I'll put the dimensions right here so that you can screenshot them and look at them, and I'll put a link down in the description below to this product so you can go check it out for yourself. So far, those are the only two downsides that I've found to this washing machine. The only thing that might be of concern is actual time to wash. I just ran a quick load, normal, an extra small amount, just in normal mode. It took 2 hours and 23 minutes to wash and dry. Not a huge deal, but that does take up some time. But you don't have to worry about moving everything over. It just does it all for you. One thing I'll say that is kind of a negative. Well, it's not a negative. It's a negative, but it's a positive, okay? Where do you think on this washing machine the laundry detergent is? Is it here? Is it here? Is it up here? Or is it here? Okay, here you have the lint filter, which you could see that I put some pillows that had some dog hair on them, so it actually got out quite a bit of lint. So anyway, we'll go put that right back in. And this is the bleach fill up. It's not there either. Where it actually is, right down here, and you don't pull on it, you press it, okay? On the left side you have the laundry detergent, and on the right side you have fabric softener, if you use fabric softener. I really like this. So this is a big dispenser kit for laundry detergent. So it is an auto dispenser. So basically what that means is that you fill up your laundry detergent and then it auto dispenses how much it needs to run the cycle. So there's no more guessing about how much you should use. I didn't put any fabric softener in there, but it is a pretty big amount. So basically you just fill it up and you let it go and it'll tell you on the screen how much you have left. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but it says basically it's using about 1 ounce, 0.95 ounces per cycle, and the dispenser capacity is 32.8 ounces. So you don't have to fill up nearly as often. One thing I really like about this washing machine is that it is a ventless dryer, which means that you no longer have to have a vent. And it's also running off of 120 volt, 60 hertz power. So you no longer have to have the pigtail for the dryer, no longer using all the massive amounts of electricity. It also pairs to the Samsung SmartThings app on your phone, so you can control it from pretty much anywhere. I really like the fact that it has a steam wash, child lock, and so many different variable settings for the amount of laundry that you're going to wash, the temperature that you want to set it, and how fast it goes too. There's all the way from light to extra and everything in between. So it's pretty awesome. What's even crazier is that there's an update for my washing machine. You can also look on the panel here and you can see how much energy you've used and how much water you've used this month compared to last month. And let's not forget the massive 5.3 cubic foot stainless steel drum. As far as the warranty is concerned, there's a full 1-year warranty on parts and labor. On the 3-year warranty, there's just a warranty on the stainless steel tub. I don't think that includes the labor, just on the part itself. There's a 20-year warranty on the digital inverter motor, and I think that is for parts only too. Again, I'm not sponsored by Samsung. I'm just trying to give you guys a fair and honest assessment. I just got this washing machine, so I will keep you guys updated on how it does over the years. Anyway guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. Hope you hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this washing machine. Would you get one? Would you get something else? If you would get something else, what would you get? So don't forget to hit that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos and content just like this video. So thank you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. God bless.